How to remove YouTube Shorts permanently. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your YouTube application. Now there's no direct way in order to, permanently delete your YouTube Shorts, but here is a workaround that might be able to do so. So tap on three-dot icon of the Shorts, tap on Show Fewer Shorts. This being one way, here's another way you can do so. As you can see that way is working and there is no longer short videos. Even so, if the shorts are showing in your feed, tap on Use section, tap on the gear icon. Once you do so, tap on this option that says Manage All History. Wait for this to load, and once it's done, tap on Controls. Now YouTube History is turned on. You can go ahead and turn it off. Tap on Pause. Then tap on Got It. Now let's go ahead and reopen our YouTube. Once you close all these, refresh your YouTube. And this will also disable the shorts. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.